Dave said, I've been traveling all over Canada playing all these shows. And a lot of these shows I get there in a pickup truck. This one's called Back of a Truck. About 1,000,000 miles, backwards and good years, dolly on the dial. Check my lips in the mirror, it hauls dirt, it hauls bells, pulls a little bit to the right, it goes strong, tough as nails. But on a Friday night, it's the front row and a drive-in, tailgate on a sunset night, hit the lake and we dive in, might get lucky on the northern lights, pull me closer, I can't get enough, the two of us falling in love, in the back of a truck. It'll do 85, take me out to the country, kiss this town goodbye, then we'll slow it down like honey, got some dance, got some rust, pedal down, it don't take much, take me there, I don't care how, cause right here, right now, it's the front row and a drive-in, tailgate on a sunset night, hit the lake and we dive in, might get lucky on the northern lights, pull me closer, I can't get enough, the two of us falling in love, in the back of a truck, yeah. Take me as far as we'll go, until we head back home. It's the front row at a drive-in, tailgate on a sunset night, hit the lake and we dive in, might get lucky on the northern lights, pull me closer, I can't get enough, the two of us falling in love, in the back of a truck.